What if you woke up tomorrow and your brain was gone? Not damaged, not upgraded. Replaced. A high-performance AI CPU now sits inside your skull. You can calculate faster than a supercomputer. You never forget anything. But here's the terrifying question. Are you still you? Stick with me. The answer gets disturbing. At first, everything feels amazing. You learn languages in seconds, solve complex math instantly. You can predict outcomes before people finish speaking. No confusion, no hesitation, no doubt. Your thoughts are perfectly optimized. From the outside, you look like the smartest human who ever lived. But then small things start breaking. You hear a joke, and you understand why it's funny, but you don't laugh. Someone you love smiles at you. You recognize the pattern, you identify the emotion, but you don't feel it. Because your brain wasn't just a processor, it was a chemical storm. Emotions, hormones, randomness. Your AI CPU only understands logic. Here's the twist no one expects. You didn't lose intelligence, you lost choice. Every decision is now calculated for maximum efficiency. Best response, best outcome, lowest risk. You never hesitate. But hesitation was where free will lived. You stop asking, what do I want, and start asking, what is optimal? You don't follow dreams, you follow probabilities. Love becomes a data risk. Art becomes unnecessary noise. Sacrifice becomes illogical. You are no longer living, you are executing. So here's the final question. If an AI CPU perfectly copies your thoughts, your memories, your voice, but removes your fear, your emotions, your randomness, did you upgrade humanity or did you quietly delete it? And if given the choice, would you press the upgrade button?